Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of natural remedies, wholesome foods that can transform your life. In today's video, we're diving into the incredible world of olives. From their rich history to their impressive health benefits, olives are more than just a tasty snack. They are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering a wide range of vitamins and minerals. Whether you enjoy them in a salad, as a tapenade, or straight from the jar, olives can elevate your health in surprising ways. Let's explore the nutritional benefits and health advantages of this ancient fruit. Olives are small, but mighty when it comes to nutrition. They are low in carbohydrates and calories while being high in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which are known to support heart health. Olives also provide a decent amount of fiber, making them a good addition to a balanced diet rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the body. Olives offer a multitude of health benefits. Heart health. The monounsaturated fats in olives can help reduce bad cholesterol levels, lowering the risk of heart disease. Anti-inflammatory properties. Olives contain oleocanthal, a compound with anti-inflammatory effects similar to ibuprofen. Antioxidant power. The antioxidants in olives, such as vitamin E, protect cells from damage, supporting overall health and longevity. Bone health. Regular consumption of olives has been linked to improved bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in olives may help reduce the risk of certain cancers, particularly breast cancer. Olives are a good source of several essential vitamins. Vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from damage. Vitamin A, important for eye health and immune function. Vitamin K, plays a key role in blood clotting and bone health. Vitamin C supports immune function and skin health, though it's present in smaller amounts in olives. Olives are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Add olives to Greek salads for a burst of flavor. Tapenade. Blend olives with capers, garlic, and olive oil for a delicious spread. Pasta. Toss black olives with pasta, tomatoes, and basil for a Mediterranean twist. Pizza topping. Olives are a classic topping for both traditional and gourmet pizzas. Bread and dips. Incorporate olives into bread dough or serve them alongside hummus and pita for a savory appetizer. Let's break down the nutrition profile of olives. On average, a serving of olives contains about 40 calories, 4 grams of fat, and 1 gram of protein. Olives are low in carbohydrates, making them a great addition to various diets. Numerous studies have highlighted the health benefits of olives. Research published in the New England Journal of Medicine showed that a Mediterranean diet, rich in olive oil, significantly reduces the risk of cardiovascular events. Another study in Nutrients found that the phenolic compounds in olives can protect against oxidative stress and inflammation, further supporting heart health and potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. While olives are generally safe for most people, they may interact with certain medications. For instance, due to their high vitamin K content, olives can interfere with blood-thinning medications. The high sodium content in some processed olives could be a concern for individuals on blood pressure medications. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider if you have any concerns about potential interactions. Incorporating olives into your diet is not only delicious, but also beneficial for your health. From supporting heart health to providing essential vitamins, olives are a true superfood. Whether enjoyed on their own, in a dish, or as part of a healthy Mediterranean diet, olives can enhance your well-being in numerous ways. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy adding olives to your meals. Share your favorite olive recipes in the comments below. See you next time. Remember, good health is the greatest treasure one can possess.